Riverside, Southern Cal.
Oh, hello? Oh, man, you know you still got your thing. You got it out there, old man. Oh, man, Oklahoma, shotgun, 45. Man, what kind of intel are you talking on?
Hey, shotgun 45, you ran over the runway, Bluegill, Riverside, Southern Cal.
Yeah, old man, I got a question for you. What type of intel are you operating? Hey, old man, what type of intel are you operating? 10 ain't great right about now. 10 ain't great right about now. 29, you got some. Tell them trade a 500.
Ooh-wee, this sure don't taste like Grandpa's tobacco. This one got a kick.
Great weekend there. 806 Colorado. We're going to be back west.
806 Colorado, when you're quiet is when you're not talking. Bluegill, back quiet.
And thanks for the 5. We're going to 10-6. Have a good day, Mr. Machete.
I hear my old friend back here, Alabama Skip Shooter. Hey, Alabama Skip Shooter, old Bluegill, Riverside, Southern Cal. Trying to put a wave in there if I can.
Hey, old man, you got this whole town sold up around Alabama. Hey, little boy Blue, have a good one. 808 10.
Well, gosh darn, I guess I can't make her back here in that Alabama Skip Shooters area. Old Bluegill, Riverside, Southern Cal, back quiet.
We're going to step to the side. I don't want to plug up anyone's ears. Hey, Yardbird, I heard you. I got you down the logbook. Yardbird 808 gone.
808, I ain't got no logbook, but I sure in the heck hear you, that's for sure. Bluegill, Riverside, Southern Cal. Hey, 2020, Alabama, the only time that they stop talking is when you're not. Bluegill, back quiet. Hey, CB Truck Sales, Bluegill, Riverside, Southern Cal. Hey, truck, have a good day over that way. Welcome to the weekend. Bluegill, back quiet.
Still sounding good, man. I'm not even pointed down toward that way. Mother Nature blessing us with a Mother's Day weekend conditions. And hello,
Well, shoot, I guess this two-pill won't get across the street this afternoon. Bluegill, Riverside, Southern Cal, back out just to listening.
Alrighty, Cripple Lizard, man. Well, I hope no doubt. Good to hear you, Cripple Lizard. Right out there around Cali. Goddamn.
They say sometimes if you talk into them, they'll talk back. Bluegill, Riverside, Southern Cal.
Oh, Bluegill. Hey, Bluegill, you got a sloppy copy on Nice Guy, baby?
Hey, nice guy, I got a whole room full of you. How about that?
So are you, man. I'm just out here trying to figure out what's going on. It's in and out real bad over here, man. Oh, Bluegill, Mother's Day wave your way. Nice guy getting down.
Hey, nice guy, Mother's Day way right back that way, that's for sure. You tell that lovely one, have a good day. Old Bluegill back out just to listening.
So are you, Bluegill. Take it easy. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you.